Friends and learners, welcome back to another video lecture on the topic Technologies for Integration number 2. In the previous video lecture, we have discussed about one of the most popular softwares which is used for developing video program. You might have seen along with electronic text, video programs are used. Also in some of the programs, audio programs are also used, especially if it is some language programs and all, they make use of audio program, because if there is nothing to demonstrate that way in a big way, then they can make use of or they can develop audio programs, which does not take much effort compared to developing video programs. Now the question is how audio programs will be developed. When we were discussing about development of video programs, I was pointing out that softwares are used. So for developing audio programs also there are specific softwares. So in this video lecture we are going to see one of such popular softwares, which is used for developing audio programs, and the name of the software is Audacity. This software is a free software. This can be downloaded from the internet and that can be used for developing audio programs. So now you are going to see how this software is used for developing audio programs. So friends, with this I am winding up this lecture on the topic Technologies for Integration number 2. In this video program we have seen the software Audacity and how this software is used for developing audio program. I hope you will make use of this software for developing audio programs, which will be useful for your teaching learning purpose. As I said, now we are going to see the software Audacity. This software is used for developing audio programs. There are various facilities in this software which the teachers can make use for developing good quality audio programs. We will see couple of facilities which are available in that software, in this software. So to start with, friends, I will go to my Google search engine. I will search for Audacity. See, once you search for Audacity, the very first result will be mostly the Audacity software website itself. So you can download this software, then you can install this on your laptop or desktop. So let us see the website first. I am clicking on this website. So this is the home page of Audacity website. Now see, you can use this Audacity in most of the operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, then Audacity for GNU or Linux. So it works with almost all the operating system software. Just have a look over the facilities and details available on the home page. Yes, about the Audacity, either you can click on this or you can click on these icons to download the software. If you have any doubt, you can contact details are also given. Friends, the copyright description is also given under this tab. So friends, this is the home page. Now you will click on this, because those who are using Windows, they have to click on that. Now you can download from this website. Right now I am not going to download this software. This is the latest version, Audacity 3.1.0 for 64-bit operating system. So once that is done, you have to install in your desktop or computer, laptop computer, then you can start using the Audacity. So, once it is installed, if you have given some creating shortcut option, then the shortcut will be available on your desktop. So, I am clicking on this desktop icon, Audacity desktop icon. Once I click this, the software will be starting. So, I have already clicked that and it is available here. So, I will just take the Audacity from the taskbar. So, friends, there is something in this software, I will just delete this first. This is how it will look like when you use the Audacity software for the first time. Let us glance through the facilities and icons which are available in this software. You can see the pause button, just hover your mouse over that icon, then it will show you what it is. This is for play button, this is for stopping, this is for bringing to the beginning, this is to go to the end of the recorded audio program. This is one of the important icons or button in this software. This is to start the recording. So, if you start recording any audio program, audio lecture that way, then you have to start on this. You can click on this. If you want to pause, you can click on this. If you want to stop, you have to click on this button. Then couple of other facilities, zoom button, multi-tool button, selection tools. Then you can see the microphone button also, the speaker button also. We will click on this microphone button and let us see whether this microphone is working or not. When I click this, you will see something toggling on this timer line. Let us see whether it is working. I will click on this microphone. When you click on, you will get couple of options. I will click on start monitoring. So whatever now I am speaking, it is captured by this software. This is apparent from, this is visible from this toggling color lines. I will just stop that. Stop. Then for cutting, again microphone button is also appearing here. This is to copy something that you have recorded. This is to paste. Then again the zoom lens and zoom lowering lens available here. And below to that you can see some formats, MME, then Windows Direct Sound, Windows WAS API. So, as a beginner I would suggest you to start with MME. There are a couple of other options also. Then microphone, if you are using 2 or 3 microphones in your laptop, you have to select the microphone that you are using for recording this audio program. So, right now we will keep it the default microphone. Again the recording options. See, there are 2 ways you can record the audio program, one in mono way, the other in stereo way. This is completely technical. Most of the audios are now recorded in the stereo mode. Let us see how it will work. I am just keeping it on mono recording. Now, if I speak, let us see how the waveform will be created here. So, I am just recording something just to give you a demonstration of that. I have kept it in the mono recording channel. So, friends, today we are going to talk about something about the technology integration. Friends, you can see this waveform is only in one channel. So, this is what we call the mono recording option. And if I keep it in stereo, let us see how it will work. I will just delete this channel because this will create confusion. This also I will delete. To delete this, you can click on this cross mark on the left side. this is the cross mark. I will click this, then this whole recorded voice will be disappearing. Yeah, at least this is not getting deleted, because we should have at least one recording channel in this software. Now I am keeping it in stereo mode, and let us see the waveform, how it will be developed. Now it is in stereo mode. I am clicking on this recording button, and let us see how the waveform will be created.
Today we are going to talk about something about the technology integration.
Friends, in this audio program we are going to talk about the technology integration. So when I was recording, it started with the previous recording, because this channel was already there. Otherwise this would have started with from this portion. I forgot to keep the mouse pointer here, and that is why it started from the beginning. So if you want to delete this, we have couple of options that we are going to see now. Okay. So friends, this is just to demonstrate how the mono and stereo recording channels are working. This is about your what we say, the speakers. So I am just deleting this audio track also. To delete this, I will click on this cross mark, you can see. Now coming to the other icons, file, edit option, file is there, we will see what all functions are there. File, see the normal ones which we usually see in any text editing softwares or presentation softwares. In most of the softwares it is like this only. Edit, cut, delete, everything is there. Select, to select, view, transport, track, the various track. If you want to delete, this is also possible from here. See, remove tracks, generate, silence, tone. There are many things which are possible using this software. And the next is effect. See, when I am bringing to effect, you can see the effects that are possible. So if you have a low voice, if you want to increase, enhance the voice quality, amplify it, you can click on amplify. Similarly, there are various effects which you can bring in your audio program that you have developed or created. So to select any effect, this is the place, this is the icon that you have to click. I will demonstrate that also. Then analyze, tools, help. So these are the icons which are available. Now friends, we will start recording a new audio program for our teaching purposes. Before that, I will just delete the content which is available on this track. To delete that, I will just select from somewhere. First I will bring to the beginning. See, this much we have recorded. I will just select, I will repeat that. I will bring the mouse pointer somewhere here. This can be done from here also. I will start and dragging to the beginning. Now I will click on this scissors button. When I click on this scissors button, the entire track will be disappearing. Yeah, you can see now there is absolutely nothing on the audio track. Now as I said, now we are going to develop a audio program for our students. This can be about anything. So right now I will be talking about something about technology integration. So that is the audio program which I am going to develop for my students. To do that, I will have this default audio track. I will keep it in stereo for better quality. Then we have already checked the microphone, it is working. Now we can start giving the lecture audio program. As I said, to start a recording, you have to click on this red button. So friends, now I am going to click on this red button and I will be talking about the technology integration. And as you are aware, to start any audio program, we will be giving our introduction, what topic is this, then to which course this is related, all those preliminary information you have to give. Then you have to come to the content, then at the end there should be a concluding remark. So, it can run for some 10 to 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, it can be of any duration. So, friends, now I am clicking on this red button. Yeah, friends, I welcome all the learners to this audio program on the title Technology Integration. I am Dr. Ajit Kumar from IGNOU. In this audio program, we are going to discuss about technology integration. So, I have done my recording, I will stop here. Okay. And you might have seen in the beginning I have given little time, blank time. Why I have given that blank time, that I will discuss when I am going to discuss about the effect. We will just remove this audio track single, because we have kept it in stereo track, and that is why a new track was appearing here. If it was mono, this would have recorded in this track itself. So, we are going to delete this. Yeah. So, we have this stereo track now. So, in the beginning I was not speaking something, because this would help the Audacity to analyze if there is any noise, any disturbance in the room. So, this is also you have to keep in mind when you are developing or creating any video program or audio program. This has to be in a silent room. You will get disturbances from outside, there can have disturbance of any other devices like mobiles, computers, laptops. So, that has to be removed from the audio program that we have developed. So, I have given this blank time just to analyze, to understand. The Audacity needs to understand that noise which is available in my room, so that the Audacity can be removed when we are working on adding the effect. So, friends, so this is the recorded voice. Now, we will work on this. You can see the timer from 1 to 3 seconds, this is in second. This we will just what we say increase, we will just increase the timer line. So, we have recorded. Now, we will see there are some blank spaces in this audio program that has to be removed. So, to remove that blank space, I will just select those blank spaces like this. Let me repeat that. We were somewhere here, the mouse pointer you can see moving here and there. So, if you want to select this place, I will bring the mouse pointer to that point, and I will just hold on the mouse and I will drag to rest of the place. So, this much space I am not speaking anything, that space I need to delete. So, I will just select that and I will make use of this scissors button. So, if I click this scissors button, this much area will be deleted. I am doing that now. Yeah, you can see that much part deleted. I am selecting this much part, again deleting. From here I am not talking anything. This is not required in my audio program. So, that also I will select. Let me repeat from here onwards. Now, I will click on this. So, that much part. Now, you can do the same wherever there is a blank space. So, that much space will be deleted. So friends, I was saying, now we will little bit reduce the size of this timer line. I will again delete this. Now if you want to increase the timer, you have to select this recorded voice. I will just do that, recorded voice. I will select from here also, then the entire portion will be selected. Then I will click on zoom button. Yeah, see, you can see now the timer line is little longer. So this will help you to do minor, to see the minute portions. So this much I will delete, this part is nothing, this part is also blank, I will delete all those portions. Yeah, you can drag here and see the rest of the portions. I will delete all this which is not required. Now we will reduce this. Now you can start from the beginning and let us listen the recorded voice. I am going to play this.
We are going to discuss about technology integration.
So friends, this has to start from the beginning, so I will click on this button to bring to the beginning. Yeah.
Yeah, friends, I welcome all the learners to this audio program on the title Technology Integration. I am Dr. Rajat Kumar from IGNOU. In this audio program, we are going to discuss about technology integration.
Yeah, so that is clear. We have removed the blank spaces. Now this much part also we have to remove. Before removing that, I will select this much portion and I will help Audacity to understand the noise. So I will click on, I will select this much area, then I will click on effect, I will select noise, noise reduction, you can see noise reduction. Yeah. So we have to make Audacity understand the noise. So for that I will click on get noise profile. Yeah. Now the Audacity understands the noise which is available in this recorded audio program. Now we have to remove that. So for that I will select the entire clip. For that I have to drag like this, but there is some issue while selecting, so I will make use of this button to select the entire. Otherwise you can click on Ctrl A also. I will click on this select. So the entire clip is now selected. I will again come to effect. I will come to noise reduction. Now the Audacity already understand the noise available. Now by default the Audacity itself gives the correct values, suitable values. If you want to increase or decrease, that can also be done. So this will perfectly work. If you want to preview that, this can be clicked, otherwise you can simply click on OK. For most of the effect, Audacity will itself give you the default values. So right now I am not making any changes on this value, I am just clicking on OK. Yeah. Now the noise has been removed from this recorded voice. Now you can see on the top there are blank spaces. So this can go up to this space, then the volume will be little more high or this will be amplified. So to amplify this voice, I am going to click on again the select button. So the entire clip will be selected. I will click on effect, I will click on amplify. Yeah, by default the amplified value is given. I will just click on OK. Yeah. Now you can see the waveform has increased the size. So this is now amplified. Similarly, if you want to add the speed or pitch or bass and treble, tempo, if you want to have echo effect, to fade in or fade out, all those are possible. So you have to select the clip, then select the required effect option, then you apply that. So that is how the effects are applied in recorded volume. Now let us again listen to this recorded voice. I will just stop this and bring to the beginning.
Yeah, friends, I welcome all the learners to this audio program on the title Technology Integration. I am Dr. Rajat this audio program, we are going to discuss about technology integration.
Yeah, now this much part we can remove. For that again I will select this area. I will select this area, then I will click the scissors button. So that much part has been removed. So it now starts with from the beginning.
Yeah friends, I welcome all.
Yeah, you might have seen that as soon as I click the play button, it starts from the beginning. So we have removed the noise, this was amplified. Again you can have more effects, that is up to the creator or developer of this audio program. If you want to add any other audio file like any music track, that is also possible. Then you have to add an audio track, then in that audio track you have to add the music file. So that will be parallelly working. So your voice will be there and in the background the audio file will also be working. Now friends, once this is done, you have to save this file. This has to be important. For that I will click on file, I will click on save project as. This is one way. You have to save this project as a Audacity file, otherwise you can export this, export as an MP3 or couple of other options are there. So I will just click on export as MP3. So this will ask you where you have to save this file. I will just select this desktop, I will click on file name audio, I will save it. Yeah, once you give the file name, again they will ask you the artist name, track title, album title, track number. This is how usually the audio programs, if it comes in a maybe a CD form, all these details will be there. So if you want to add those details, that can be done, otherwise you can simply click on OK. Now let us see whether it is appearing on the desktop. So you can see here it is there in the desktop audio. This is the file which we have created. I will just click on this and let us see whether it is working.
Yeah friends, I welcome all the learners to this audio program on the title.
Yeah, this is working. So friends, this is how this Audacity software, which is a free software, is used for developing audio programs. Now it is up to you how you will make use of this software for developing audio programs on any topic that you are teaching. I hope you have understood the process and procedure for developing audio programs using the Audacity software. Thank you.